Hello everybody, welcome back to From Rhythm to Algorithm Part 15, a quick proof. I want you to go punch a shark, like the animal swimming in the ocean. Would you do it? Probably not. Why would you not go punch a shark? Because it's going to bite your hand off or it's going to eat you. So what can that simple statement, simple instinctual empirical fact teach us about physical reality? Well, what we've done with the proof of speciality is we have demonstrated the consistency of language, right? But the basis of language is sound. The basis of sound is vibration, right? Now the basis of color is the basis of light, or the basis of color is light. The basis of light is also vibration. So what we've done by demonstrating the proof of speciality is we've shown vibration is consistent. Because vibration is consistent in complete generality, light also has to be consistent, which means colors are consistent. So we have proven that colors are consistent. The red that I see is the red that you see. And the reason you wouldn't punch a shark, even though they haven't evolved in 450 million years, is reaction times amongst sentient beings has to be the same because colors are consistent. The way the shark knows how to move and swim in through the water. Light is the fastest, right? Both sound and light have physical maximums. How fast can information transfer or travel? But light is faster than sound. So we can calculate now that we've proven that, again, that's the entire proof, it's really that simple, but we can calculate physical maximums completely, all of the physical maximums that exist. But the reason you wouldn't punch a shark is because sentient beings have the same reaction times. Additionally, what that proves is multitasking is literally impossible. What is intelligence? Still can't answer that question directly, but it's training inefficiency. There's no, right, just think of our species now. There's no problem, there's no activity that's really hard to do, you just have to learn how to do it a couple times. And then once you can do it, it just becomes automatic, it becomes a rhythm. But by demonstrating that language is consistent and mathematics is consistent, we can make the direct deduction that color is consistent. And now, so that's a direct physical empirical proof. And now, there's a couple other math things. Right, we've talked about it is what it is the reduction. It's the form of the solution for all language, right? So if you want the theory of everything, we've derived the word everything and showed theory of is a prepositional phrase or just some sort of phrasing, but now we have to also calculate the form of the solution. Timing is everything. Well, there it is again. There's our ing, there's our more general word. There's our statement of equality. Timing is synchronization. Chronization. So, if language was consistent and color was consistent and speed of reaction time was consistent, every time a bunch of awkward, pathetic fucks walked down the hallway, they would do this. Oh, almost ran into you. Oh, we made eye contact. We're in the same light environment. Oh, where do I go? I'm going left. Now he's going left, now I'm going right. I'm sorry. When you do that in the hallway with somebody, that's because light, sound, and movement are all consistent. Facts. Timing is synchronization. Big old box with the lines. Look at me, I'm a math guy. Woohoo! Which leaves us a couple questions we need to answer. What is sensorality? Sensorality with a C. Sentient beings sense things. I'm a person, when I filter information, I sense things. When a physical system that isn't a sentient biological being filters information, an electron, computer chip, it senses something. Senses and senses. The difference is sentience. But what is sensorality? Whatever the definition is going to be, it's going to answer the question, what we censor. Sensorality is what we censor. Language is defined in complete generality. Sensorality ends in the sound E, so we have to make a more definitive deduction. But it has to be, right, the complete generality is sensorality, what we censor. There's our fundamental stability of 2. Still not exactly sure what that is in complete generality. Maybe it's like every time you say the same word twice in a row, the context changes. Maybe that's it, I don't know. But we have to answer the question, what do we censor? And we can even take that out and say, because we, that's personal, what is censored? And again, that's with a C, censored, like when you see boobs on the TV and it says censored with a C up there, that's censored with an S. So that's a direct logical distinction in our society right now today. And then we have to answer the analogy, right? A specialist is unique. A censorist is a something, right? Remember in 2nd grade when you do analogies, this is what top-level mathematical proofing is. And here's our constructed variable. Here's the variable we've defined. And now we have to create an analogy that will solidify the definition. And now, because a good scientific experiment makes predictions, what is censoring? I want you to answer. I'm going to predict the word out of your mouth. To censor, write words down. To censor is to what? Sooner or later, you're going to write the word cover. Censoring covers. Cover up. Right? Censor up. And we'll end this episode. We have cover and color. What's the difference between a cover and a color? Thanks for watching part 15, a quick proof.